Hi, I'm Aubrey Drennan. I go by Aubrey, and I'm in your third period government class. Things I like to do outside school, I really enjoy sports. I like playing sports and watching sports. One of my favorite sports to play is golf and basketball and track. I like to listen to music. I like hanging out with my friends, doing weird stuff and going to school events. I like hanging out with my family, and I love going to Disneyland. What I hope to learn this year in government, I hope to learn more about how our government works and how it affects our individual lives, like the laws they pass and all these other different things. How COVID has impacted me, I've been trying out new cooking recipes and cooking more to keep boredom away. I've had more time with my family, just hang out with them. I've actually had to help out more by going to the grocery store and other stores because my great-grandparents, my grandparents, and my sister are all vulnerable to the COVID. I've had to take care of my little sister, who is 2, and she has a terrible tooth. I just have to say, it's crazy. And I've also tried to find motivation just to work out more, learn dances and languages and just other stuff in general because I need to find something to cure my boredom. And that's all about me.